It's a pleasure to be here to celebrate this incredible milestone with my friends and partners at Cytovance Biologics. 20 years is an achievement that speaks not only to the longevity, but to their vision, adaptability, and commitment to advancing biomanufacturing innovation. So as mentioned, I'm the owner and founder of Fina Biosolutions, Rockville, Maryland, and we're just shy of our 20th birthday. We are a small company specializing in the area of conjugate vaccines, which include some of the most complex and expensive vaccines that are given to infants and adults. My mission in founding Fina Bio was to make the technology and reagents for conjugate vaccines both available and affordable. And a crucial part of this mission was to successfully scale up our version of a critical protein component of these vaccines called CRM 197. We are what I like to call a not-for-much-profit company. We have no investors. We have no investors to make money for. I've gone the entire 20 years without taking a salary. Finding the right CDMO partner was critical to our ability to scale up and supply this reagent to the vaccine community. Drug developers of every size depend on CDMOs for specialized expertise and so forth. But for small companies like ours, short of money, short of expertise, finding a partner that offers both flexibility and deep scientific understanding can be a real challenge. And that's what makes our partnership with Cytovance so special. We felt valued and prioritized. And together, we successfully scaled up the GMP production of our protein. Their responsiveness, agility, and technical excellence helped us transition our protein to commercial-grade production. It was 1 year when we signed the contract to when they completed the project, which is really remarkable in this field, where there's challenges at every corner. Our collaboration is a testament to what's possible when a CDMO appreciates the needs of innovative biotech companies, when communication, trust, and problem-solving drive every step of the process. On behalf of the Fina Biosolutions teams, congratulations to Cytovance on their 20th anniversary. Thank you.